Instead of going to the festival, now we're all going to the pub. Miss their bus, so they can't go either. I love my life. And we had a DJ workshop this morning, which we very conveniently missed. And then Zach's flight got cancelled in the morning. Personalized massage, please.
I can't believe it's over.
Hey guys, it is a new day and we are in the middle of a beautiful location. We are here to have lunch and then we'll see where the day takes us. Look at that, that's a reunion. We're gonna do rail sledge right now. We are in Les Bourges. I don't know how to say Les Bourges. There isn't enough snow anymore because it's 11 degrees, you guys, but it's still beautiful. Let's go. Hey guys, so we are at this beautiful cafe after rail sledge and I'm just having some chicken burger and some fries with this lovely view. The chicken burger was delicious. We literally just like ate the entire thing and now the last cable car leaves in like 20 minutes. Merci beaucoup, bye-bye. So we have to leave now, so we did not miss that, otherwise we're stuck here till 2 a.m. The transportation is a little fucked. That is the main stage, everyone. Look at that. Oof. Live today, love tomorrow, unite forever. Hey! Guys, these people lost their bus. Instead of going to the festival, now we're all going to the pub. Because I didn't go today because I was too tired. And they missed their bus, so they can't go either. So now we're at the pub.
Later that same evening.
So we are at a restaurant in Oz and we are trying raclette, which is basically cheese on meat. Also, what's really famous in France these days is something called fusty, which looks something like this. Instead of Lipton iced tea, so we're going to be trying this as well, so stay tuned. Come on, wait. How old are you?
I'm 29 plus 2.
Okay, yeah, that's it, you guys. Sorry. Yeah, continue. By the way, I met them at the hostel and they're both from the army, which is, I think, very, very cool.
More moments later.
This is so lovely because basically it's a very, very small town. So everyone who works nearby comes to this one pub because only one pub is open at night.
Yes.
To have drinks. So everyone I've spoken to in the town for the last week, they're all here. So that's Julie from the ski equipment. She makes beautiful necklaces. So check out her page. I'll put the link in the description. Peace out. I just came back from the pub. The pub is right there and it's been lovely to just meet people from this village and hear the stories and have them be so warm towards you. My heart is very, very happy right now and I love my life. And I'm glad that I'm in the middle of a village in France where there's only one pub and you meet basically everyone. And yeah, I'm very, very glad I came to France. I'm very, very glad that I did this and I'm very, very glad that I can take you guys on this journey with me. Good night.
The next morning.
We're at Royal Arc in Alpe d'Huez and we are just waiting here because the weather is very, very shitty. Everything is extremely wet. Hey everyone, update. We have been in search of a spa because everything is booked. And we had a DJ workshop this morning, which we very conveniently missed. And then fought for a refund. Did not have any update on the refund side. But now we're like, oh man, let's spend more money. So we're looking at a spa to relax, but everything is sold out. So yeah, that's the quest. It's on. Also, I forgot to tell you, Zach's flight got cancelled in the morning and he had to buy a new flight. So it has not been the best of our days, but we're still smiling. Yeah, the quest is on, you guys. We can't even find the spa place. Spa, here we come.
So it's our last day and we're staying in a 5-star hotel.
And being friends with Zach is very dangerous because I keep losing out on money and we don't even use it, the experiences. But we have booked the spa. It looks absolutely amazing. We booked the massage and the spa.
1 hour and 15 minutes.
And then 45 minutes in the pool. So very, very happy. Let's go have some food in our system. So we're just coming back from the crab place. It was delicious. It was like dosa with like some veggies inside, quite literally. But now we're all ready to relax. We're going in. Stay tuned. So we were supposed to circle, so it's like a personalized massage. We circled the part that you want to be massaged. I circled everything. That's mine. So hands, legs, back. That's basically everything and the head. He's also circling everything except the belly.
2 hours later.
After the massage, we just here to like enjoy some tea, and then we'll go for the spa, so like the pool and stuff. It was amazing. I think we need this and the other trip, but we are gonna get dressed and go to Tomorrowland and be around 10,000 people, 25,000 people with loud music. Cheers. So we just got out of the spa, the pool, the sauna, steam, everything. And I'm in this changing room where I'm just gonna be drying my hair very quick, and then we're gonna be off to the festival. You guys, 4 hours later, we're out of here.
Thank you so much. Love you guys. Peace.
Guys, the festival ends in 1 hour. 1 hour to go.
All you beautiful people from all over the world uniting here tonight warms my heart. You guys are beautiful. It's time for a bit of crowd control. So when the music starts, we're gonna go 8 steps to the left and 8 to the right. Let's fucking do this! Here we go! I can't believe it's over. Should we play one more track? What do you think?
Take me back to the memory. Straight tequila, drink.
Love you. See you next time.
Hey everyone, Tomorrowland is officially over.
But it's never over because Tomorrowland will always be in your heart.
Yeah, whatever.
Not in hers, but in mine, yes.
No, I had a good time. I was pleasantly surprised. Whatever. Bye. That's the ending. Peace out.